Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel. Today we discuss about one of the activity in physics. The aim of the activity is to find the vertical shift of a glass slab and relation between refractive index of the glass slab and thickness of a glass slab. Okay, in this material requires are scale, eraser, pencil, pins, glass slab, protractor, two safety pins. First, take a white chart and fix it on a table. Pin the sheet with the pins. Take a glass slab and place it in the middle of the chart. Then draw its boundaries. Remove the glass slab from the drawing sheet. Name the vertices as A, B, C and D. Take a protractor. Draw a perpendicular line to longer line AB of the rectangular at any point. Join the line. Name the point as P. Pin point P with a safety pin. Place the slab again in rectangular ABCD. By looking at the first pin from the other side of the slab, take another pin, place as it forms a straight line with the first pin. When we remove the glass slab, we can see that these two pins are not in a straight line. But when we see from a glass slab, two pins will be in a straight line. Then remove the first pin and draw a perpendicular line to the point P. Remove the second pin also. Draw a perpendicular line from the second pin to the line on which first pin placed. Name the point as Q. Now we should measure the distance between P and Q. This distance between P and Q is known as vertical shift of the glass slab. Next, we should measure the distance between P and Q. It is 0.6. The vertical shift of the glass slab is 0.6. Vertical shift of the glass slab is 0.6 centimeters. Take out the glass slab. Now measure the thickness of the glass slab. You can see that the thickness of the glass slab is 1.8 centimeters. Note the value T equals to 1.8 centimeter. We should measure the refractive index of the glass slab. Refractive index of the glass slab is represented by n. N equals to question mark. There is a formula for refractive index of the glass slab. That is thickness of a glass slab by thickness of a glass slab minus vertical shift. We should apply the values in this formula. Means thickness of the glass slab. Thickness of the glass slab is 1.8 centimeter. Next thickness of the slab. What is the thickness of the slab? 1.8 centimeters. We should note the value 1.8 centimeter. Next minus vertical shift. What is the value of vertical shift? 0.6 centimeters. We should write the reading 0.6 centimeter. N equal to 1.8. 1.8 by 1.8 minus 0.6. 1 is 1.2. Point get cancel. 18 by 12. 2 nines are 2 6 are 2 3s are 2 3 3s are 3 2s are. Next 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5. The refractive index of the glass slab is 1.5. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.